Dear everyone, I am Mr. Winit from Hi-Winch. I am product engineer and I will show you how to alignment the round shaft and brake assembly. The first, this is a head shaft. If round shaft is the circle. Brake assembly. Brake carbon brake. Dump roller. Okay, we are start alignment the round shaft. First, you have to put the head shaft into the gearbox. Then, number two, you have to put the brake assembly and the coping joint. Okay. Get the motor put in the tight bars. Lock the screw for tightly. It should be tightly. This is so important. If you need to alignment the brake, otherwise the brake will get some trouble when you have using. You have to do it. Okay. Now, next step, you have to check the free of the head shaft. This one. You have to slide left and right, slide and check the free. The video maybe cannot see the round shaft is slide like this. It should be good position and should be slide not over 5 millimeter. This one is the 5 maybe 0.2 millimeter is good position. After this one is not slide, not too much slightly. Then go to next step to put this one. Okay, go. Okay, gentlemen, go to step 3. You have to put the dump roller into the gearbox. You have to make sure you have the grease around here before you put the dump roller into the gearbox. Yeah. This one also need the grease, some grease here. Okay, go step. Next, before you put the brake assembly, you put the 3 pieces of the carbon brake around here first. And you hold. You use get if you have the left hand to hold this one first. Then you take the right hand and turn the top this piece for 180 degree and hold. Don't release. Do not release. Then you push this one and release. เข้าไหมเข้ายัง and you take the coping joint to turn left or right until the head shaft into the hole. It is the right position. Okay. Oh, okay. I forgot to tell you some. Come here. You have to check the position. If you can see inside the brake have the how to call it sum up have to x, it should be x position like this. If you see inside, it will be x character. Okay, good. Then if you see inside positive like this, is not good position. The brake will trouble. You have to change the carbon brake inside. The new brake assembly, its position will be like this. If you use for 1 year, 2 years, it start more increase and more bigger. If like this, you have to change the carbon brake. Okay. Okay. Now the brake assembly ready to use and finish completely, and there no get any trouble. If you put the brake correctly and not, you will not any get trouble when you using. I have it now. Okay, finish for the how to put the brake and how to alignment the brake. Ready. See you.